once Krishna entered the forest of Vrindavan to herd his cows. And Vrindavan is a place where everyone's life is only centered around giving pleasure to Krishna. In other words, any place where everyone is trying their best to give pleasure to the Lord, to give pleasure to God, that place becomes Vrindavan. The trees, the birds, the animals, what to speak of human beings, 24/7 in Vrindavan, they're only thinking about how to please Krishna. So when Krishna entered the forest, everyone became very ecstatic, especially the peacocks. And in great happiness, they started dancing to welcome Krishna. And Krishna understood their bhav, their intention. So he also started dancing along with them. And they danced and danced for a long, long time. When the dance ended, the peacocks were feeling so grateful that Krishna, their most beloved, the beloved of everyone, spent so much time with them. They were very grateful. They wanted to offer something as a token of their gratitude. And whenever we offer something to God, we must offer the best, not the least, not the worst. And the best thing that the peacocks have is their feather. So one of the peacocks, on behalf of everyone, took out a feather and offered it with a lot of love, with tears of gratitude in his eyes, to Krishna. And Krishna is bhavagrahi. He's not concerned with the magnitude or the quantity of offering. He's only concerned with the quality. Intent is more important than the content. He is bhavagrahi. He accepts the bhava. So he understood that this peacock feather, apparently it's very insignificant from the worldly point of view, but it was filled with a lot of love and devotion. So Krishna considered it extremely significant. And it was so much filled with love that Krishna put it on his head and made a statement for all time to come that if somebody offers me anything with love and bhakti, I will accept it. What to speak of accepting it? I will keep it on my head forever. So what do we keep on our head? Only those things whom we respect the most. So Krishna respected that offering of a peacock and made a statement for all time to come. As he declares in the Bhagavad Gita, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yome Bhaktya Prayachati. Anybody who offers me with love and devotion, maybe a leaf or some water or flower or a fruit, I will accept it if it is with the right intention. So this peacock feather on Krishna's head should remind us again and again and again that no offering in the Lord's service is insignificant or small. The only thing that is most important is the intention with which we offer. Duryodhana tried to offer Chappan Bhog, but Krishna did not go to his house. Rather, he went to Vidura's house, where he was fed banana peels instead of the bananas. Because Vidura's wife was extremely ecstatic to see, she didn't realize what she was doing, but Krishna ate those banana peels happily. So Krishna is the simplest person. He's very simple, very easy to please, provided we have the most sincere intentions. The quantity does not matter, the quality does. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.